Hi everyone, let's talk about Jaipur's best UI UX course and institute. I'm an expert UI UX designer. My name is Sneha, and before discussing the best UI UX course, let's first understand what's UI and UX actually mean. UI stands for user interface. It is all about how a website or app looks, colors, fonts, buttons, layouts, overall visual design. Good UI makes a product look clean, attractive, and easy to use. UX stands for user experience. It focuses on how a user feels while using a website or app. UX includes user research, user journeys, wireframes, prototypes, and usability testing. In simple words, UI is what you see, UX is how it works and feels. Today, the demand for UI UX designer is extremely high. Every website and app must be interactive and engaging. Only good design hold attention, build trust, and convert visitors into leads or customers. That's why UI UX design plays a direct role in growth and conversions. Now, the best part is UI UX is a skill that can be learned in a short duration. You don't need years, you need the right guidance, tools, and real world practice. A strong UI UX curriculum includes design fundamentals, user psychology, UX research, wireframing, and prototyping design systems, and real industry projects. You also learn industry standard tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Photoshop, and prototyping tools. These are the tools companies actually use. Now, based on my experience and professional knowledge, I recommend the best UI UX course in this city is IIM Skills. They have a strong track record in jobs, curriculum, tools, and expert faculty. If you are serious about building a career in UI UX designs, IIM Skills is the right place to start.